Hello everyone. So you want a flat stomach and a flat belly. Everyone wants it, but it is not possible that you have a flat stomach and fat legs and fat arms at the same time. You have to lose your fat from all the body parts equally in an equal proportion. That's how it works. So yeah, to get a flat belly and a stomach, you have to lose your weight, lose your fat in an equal proportion. So let's talk about the best way to do it. The best way to do is to follow a ketogenic diet. Yes guys, I'm telling you this from my personal experience. So around a year ago I was 99 kgs. So now I am 77 kgs now. So only in 4 to 5 months I lost this weight very easily by following this healthy ketogenic diet. What happens in a ketogenic diet is that you become a fat burning machine. All the time your body is burning fat, because let me tell you the proportion of macros in this diet. You eat high fat, moderate protein and low carb. So around 60 to 65% of your calories come from good fats, and around 20 to 25% protein, and only 10 to 15% carbs. So you get the idea what I'm saying. So what happens is, in this diet you also need to do something called as intermittent fasting. It's called that you only decide a 6 to 8 hour window in which you will eat your meals. You can take 2 to 3 meals, and the left 16 to 18 hours of fasting you will not eat anything. You can have black coffee in the morning, green tea and things like that, but you can't take your meal. So what happens is, you become a fat burning machine and you can very easily lose fat in a ketogenic diet. Another thing that you can do is fasted cardio, and the best thing to do is high intensity interval training. The best thing is sprinting. So what you need to do is sprint for 30 seconds and then rest for 90 seconds, and repeat this thing for at least 6 to 7 times to failure. Guys, you need to take your body to failure, and to do this you need to be in a fasted state. You don't need to eat anything. You have to be empty stomach. I know you guys are thinking, how can we do this when we are hungry? But yes, this is the fastest way to lose your weight and lose your fat, and yes, you can do it. So yeah, these are my top 2 tips that you can do to get a flat stomach. Obviously you will lose fat from your whole body at the same time in equal proportion. So this will help you very much. And I also want you to do some more research on a ketogenic diet. I recommend you to go to the Dr. Eric Berg channel. He is a great person. He can tell you exactly what you need to do. And yeah, these are the 2 main tips that you need to do. First is the healthy ketogenic diet. Second is fasted cardio, and you will do high intensity interval training in it. You just need to do it 2 to 3 times a week, this exercise, and you are good to go. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. Tell me in the comments, do you find this helpful or not? Thank you. Also subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me in the comments what more you want to know about health and fitness, because I tell you the real science and real truth about how to do anything related to health and fitness. So feel free to leave a comment about any topic in health and fitness. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the channel. Subscribe to the channel and like the video and share with your friends, and tell me what you think in the comment, guys. I will reply to your comments. You can comment anything, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.